In this video, we'll learn how to use the Path to PowerProtect migration tool. Path to PowerProtect is a tool that enables you to migrate policies and onboard agents from a source system to a destination system. The source systems can be Avamar or protection software of PowerProtect DP series appliance. The destination systems can be a PowerProtect Data Manager or a PowerProtect Data Manager appliance. Currently, Path to PowerProtect supports migration of virtual machine policies, SQL Server policies, Oracle database policies, and file system agents. The first screen that you see after logging in is the home page. The home page has a banner at the top, a left navigation pane menu, and the migration section. The banner has user settings and about options. User settings displays the current username and has logout and change password options. Click the About icon for more details about Path to PowerProtect and its version. The left pane menu has Home, Jobs, and Audit Log options. The Jobs page displays the details of all the migration jobs. You can click on the job ID to view the job details, metrics, and status of each sub-step. You can also view the details and the steps involved in migration for each of the sub-steps. Click the download icon to download the logs. You can download the log of the entire job or a specific sub-step. The audit log page displays the records of the tasks that the user performs in Path to PowerProtect. Now, let's look at the Avamar system where the policies must be migrated. On the backup policy page, you can see a list of all backup policies that are in Avamar. In this demo, we'll migrate the highlighted policies from Avamar to PowerProtect Data Manager. Let's now configure the migration parameters and initiate the migration from Path to PowerProtect. On the home page, click Start. In the Source Systems section, click Select. Now, click Add to add Avamar. Provide the server address, login credentials, OS credentials, and click Save. The Avamar is added. Now select the system and click Select. In the Destination System section, click Select. Now click Add to add the PowerProtect Data Manager system. Provide the server address and credentials and click Save. The PowerProtect Data Manager system is added. Now select this system and click Select. The next step is to select the policies from Avamar that must be migrated to PowerProtect Data Manager. To do this, click Select Policies. All the enabled backup policies that are available in the source system are listed. You can also see the number of assets that are part of each policy. Policies that cannot be migrated are marked as unavailable and cannot be selected. Let's select the required policies and click Save. Selected policies are listed in the migration page. Now, let's review the fields that must be configured to initiate migration. The Destination Policy option field decides how the policy must be handled in the destination system. You can choose one of the following: create a policy in the destination system, merge the assets of the source policy into an existing policy, or onboard just the agents to install the agents and register the clients in the destination system. For the Destination Policy Name field, you can use the suggested name as the name of the policy in PowerProtect Data Manager or provide a name manually. Select a storage target that is available in the destination system. For the storage unit parameter, you can create a storage unit or select one of the existing storage units. For credentials, you must provide the OS credentials that are associated with the database. This parameter is required for SQL Server or Oracle database workloads. Click Add OS Credentials, enter the username and password, and click Save. The Optimize for parameter lets you decide how to optimize resources during the backups. The default value selected is from the source policy. This parameter is only applicable for VM image workloads. Now, let's configure all these parameters for the selected policies. For the policy Dynamic Policy VMS, we can only create a policy as per the supported rules in the destination system. Now, we'll configure the file system policy to only onboard agents to the destination system. For SQL Policy Full and Oracle Policy Full, we will create policies in the destination system. Upon migration, the associated differential and cumulative policies for the same set of assets are also merged into the same policy, respectively, in the destination system. Next, we'll merge the VM billing policy into an existing policy in PowerProtect Data Manager. For this, we must select the existing policy from the Destination Policy dropdown. When all the parameters are set for all the policies, the migration button is enabled. Click Migrate to initiate the migration of the policies from Avamar to PowerProtect Data Manager systems. Again, click Migrate in the confirmation dialog box. The Jobs page is displayed, where it shows the status of all jobs. Path to PowerProtect assigns a job ID to each policy that is being migrated. Now that the migration is successfully completed, let's view the migrated policies in PowerProtect Data Manager. These are the 4 migrated policies for SQL, VM, File System, and Oracle asset types. All 4 policies display the status as enabled. For each migrated policy, you can review the details and modify the parameters if required. You can view the onboarded agents on the asset page. You can also view these agents in the asset source and the application agents pages. The migrated policies are disabled in Avamar. The dynamic policy VMS policy is disabled. The file system policy is enabled because we have only onboarded the agents to the destination system. The cumulative and differential policies that are associated with SQL Policy Full and Oracle Policy Full, respectively, are merged into a single policy in the PowerProtect Data Manager and disabled in Avamar. The VM billing policy is merged into VM policy. For more information about Path to PowerProtect, its documentation, and where you can download it from, visit the PowerProtect Data Manager page on dell.com/support.